Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Today it's going to be another Swedish words video for you guys. And this one might be a long one, just because I need to explain quite a lot. The word for today is, well, hate. And well, hate and to hate and hating something, and I'm gonna try to explain the context of everything as well. We're gonna start off with hate itself, like hate. The word hate is just hot. You can pronounce it like H-O-T, but it's spelled H-A-T, just H-A-T, hot. Or you can pronounce it like H-A-W-T. That's just hate itself. And to hate is just like hata, so you can pronounce it like H-A-W-T-A, but it's spelled H-A-T-A. So hata, to hate. And if you hate something or someone, you add another R to it, which is hatar. Like, for example, I hate milk. Jag hatar mjölk. So hatar is to hate something or someone. Well, I'm hating everything. Jag hatar allting. The hate, well, like I hate you or I'm hating everything, it is the same thing in Swedish. Jag hatar dig, jag hatar allting. I hate you, jag hatar dig. I hate everything. Jag hatar allting. I'm hating everything. So if that does make any sense, you can comment below. Let me know what you think. You can like and subscribe. If you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.